Hi guys, they were taking a look at a gaming chair. This is the Razer Iskur. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. So some key features about the chair. It has an ergonomic lumbar support system, has ultra soft spill resistant fabric, and 4D armrests. So let's begin by unboxing it and seeing what you get in the packaging. If you're new to the channel, I hope you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my next release. Once the box is opened up, you get this piece of paper. It says it's time to take your throne. What you're about to experience is posture perfect hardcore gaming to keep you performing at your best. All Razer gaming chairs offer optimal balance of support and comfort with a shape and fit that helps you maintain an ideal gaming form. You'll always be in your comfort zone to game on and on and on. Flipping this over, you've got assembly instructions. Taking the foam off reveals the top half of the chair. You've got a padded headrest. Got the legs of the chair, that's made of metal. You've got the base of the chair, and a box containing accessories. We've got some details here on the ergonomic lumbar support system, some fixtures and a tool to help you assemble. We've got some documentation on the lumbar support and some stickers and some additional accessories to attach onto the chair. Now remove the packaging off the back of the seat and the bottom part of the seat. We just need to attach that onto there. We can attach using 4 of these screws and use the tool that's here. Make sure the wire that's attached to the back of the chair is coming towards the back of the seat. Now this is attached, we can put the side cover on, right's on there, and this is the right side. Obviously that sits in place. And the screws over here are the 2 small ones used on each side. And then taking one of the covers that's here, you can just cover this screw hole up. I'll just repeat the same process on the other side now. Next you just flip the chair over. Now take the cover off the lumbar support, and if we open the clip that's over here, one end of the cable goes into that area and this can clip into here, and that's now secure. And you can see it just locks into position. Let's move on to attaching the base of the chair. So the front of the chair is over here, this is the seat end, and the back end is up there. So it goes into position just like this. The 2 smaller screws go at the bottom area and the 2 longer screws go at the top area. Now we can attach the wheels to the base, and that's just a matter of pushing them on and they clip into place. Flip this over. Next we can place this into position, and then we just place this on there. From the bottom of the chair, you just remove this foam. Now you can attach the base of the wheel to the bottom of the chair. Flip the chair up. Take the side protectors off. And that's it, you're done. The chair was pretty easy to assemble with clear instructions. It comes in 2 sizes, standard and extra large. The standard size is recommended for heights between 5'6" to 6'2", and extra large is for heights between 6 foot and 6'10". Now Razer sent over their extra large chair. I'm 6 foot tall and average body size, and for me it's fine. The frame's made out of metal and ply, and it's got a dark grey fabric which is breathable together with being water and stain resistant. The fabric feels smooth to touch and does feel like it may have been treated with something, hence why it feels so smooth. The seat is soft to sit on and feels nice and comfortable, but doesn't seem too thick. It's got high density molded foam inside. If you wanted to spread your legs out on the seat, I did find the size of the chair got in the way. There's Razer's branding in the top left hand corner, which is stitched onto a black area, and the Razer logo is embossed just below the headrest. You've got their slogan, "For gamers, by gamers," at the front of the chair. Both have a black gloss finish, which feels rubbery, but you don't feel it when sitting in the chair. You also have Razer embossed on the back too, together with a small square Razer logo in the corner. There's an additional headrest that can be attached for extra support, and as I've already mentioned earlier, that's got Razer embossed on there. And there's memory foam inside. The material's the same as what's on the chair, and there's an elasticated strap that allows you to attach it to the chair. You get a built-in pop-out lumbar support cushion, which comes out from the bottom to support your lower back perfectly as it hits the back in the right place, giving you the perfect support in the lower back area and reducing pain when sitting for long periods. It can be adjusted via lever below the chair. The range on this is huge, not seen that before. So even if you weren't completely sat back against the chair when you're gaming, you can bring the lumbar support out further to support your back, which is great. great. You've got 4D controls on the armrests. They can slide up and down, slide in and out, slide forward and back, swivel in, mid and out. The padding on there is tough rubber, not very soft, but I would have preferred if the armrests came in a little bit more inwards, as on the XL seat, they seem quite far apart. The controls under the chair are pretty standard. On the left side is a lever for your back. Releasing it means you can push back on the chair. You can lean it back and lock it in a tilt position. On the right side, the back lever controls the height adjustment on the chair. The lever by the seat controls the back tilt. You need to pull and lean back a little bit, and when you let go, it locks into that position. That can adjust up to 139 degrees. If you use this lever with the loosened back, you can get the chair into a really easy mode that you can rest back and take a nap or even chill out on the chair. Another lever at the front pulls out the lumbar support, and that's all the adjustments you have on there. The base has 5 caster wheels that are 6 centimeters in size, and the frame is 5-star metal powder coated. I've been using the chair for about a week now, and it's really comfortable to sit on, giving great lumbar support. Whether you're gaming or working on it for long periods, the material is breathable and doesn't feel too hot or uncomfortable when you're sitting for long periods. If I was nitpicking, my only small gripe would be that I couldn't pull in the armrest further inwards. But other than that, it's an awesome gaming chair. Excellent build quality and so comfortable, with the added benefit of the lumbar support. So you've come to an end of another video, and I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. If you're new to your channel, I hope you can support me by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified of my next release. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.